Sanibona bafundi, ninjani. I just want to show you quickly how to add the Patreon, Zamani Zulu Patreon podcast link to your Spotify account. So your page should look something like this. My latest post here, if you go to membership and Spotify, connect to Spotify and should be able to log in. Or on mobile, you can click the top right corner. So yeah, this will be great for accessing the audio of these posts. Most posts I've made a video version and then a separate podcast version where I speak slowly and translate more with the understanding that you are just listening. And with the video, I use lots of cues and hand gestures and circling, but we don't have that with audio. So I've made a separate version for you to listen to in the car or whatever for some good isiZulu input. There we go. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafundi. Salani kahle.